On my honor, I attest that this video is the product of my own work alone, and that I understand and follow the letter and spirit of the rules by which this final exam project is being given. Question 9. I chose study guide 11, and I did parts 3A and 3C for question 3. So starting with 3A, the first fact that I found interesting was that somebody named Giuseppe Piazzi found the hybrid between Mars and Jupiter, or planets within, which would later be known as exoplanets. And nobody knew what they were at the time, but they seemed really cool and interesting, and he decided to study them. And there were also multiple lights which were discovered in that area that became known as asteroids. My third fact is that now there's billions of these exoplanets which orbit the Sun and Jupiter. And we know today, for example, Maki is one of the exoplanets. And I find this interesting because it's not told every day that there's other planets out there. We just know about the main 8. But it's interesting to know that there's other objects that revolve around the Sun just like we do. And for 3C, an interesting fact I found out was that comets lose material when they come near the Sun. So they don't keep all that rock and other substances in them, and they actually kind of let stuff off. Inner planets are warm and small, while outer planets are colder and bigger, is my second fact. And my third fact is because this is due to the fact because like ice and dust and chunks of other planets, these materials are inside the colder planets. And I find this interesting because, all these materials just somehow were able to form and come together and make something and stay together. And it's cool that we have names for all of them.